Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove shadow in Photoshop document. So let's started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see remove shadow in photo image. Now you going to the select from go. You can see then show the image in the shadow. Now remove the shadow. Now going to the layer option. Now click from layer. Now click from mouse right button option. Now select from blending option. Now remove the tick mark. That is, now click OK. Now you can see then again going to the layer, mouse click right button and click from blending option and remove the drop shadow. Now click OK. That is. Now you can see remove shadow in image in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and